In this video, I want to show you how to download World Shapefile for free in QGIS. If you want to download the global shapefile, let me show you how to get it done. So open your QGIS. Then when you open QGIS, here where you see coordinates, you can see coordinates here. So what you will do is to replace it with the word world. Then hit the enter key. When you do that, you can see it has brought the shapefile of the whole world. All the countries in the world has been loaded into your QGIS just by entering the word world in this very coordinate box. So what you need to do, you will need to export it to have it in your local storage. To do that, right click the layer, then come to export and save feature as. Then click on browse to navigate to your folder. For example, I want to save it inside this very folder, so I can call it world shapefile. Then click on save and click on OK. So it has been exported successfully. Now if you want to use it in any other GIS software, for example, let me open ArcGIS. To bring in that world shapefile I just downloaded, click on add data. So navigate to your folder, and here is the folder. You can see world shapefile. Select it and click on add. You can see the world shapefile here. So I successfully downloaded the world shapefile, which is now in my local storage that I can use. Now if I right click and open the attributes table, so you can see the name of all countries in the world. You can see it here, and you can see other information about each country. So this is how to download world shapefile for free in QGIS and use it in any other GIS software. Thank you for watching.